All right, everybody, welcome to my first, yes, finally, my first YouTube video because I've been busy blogging, trying to get that up and running. But finally, I'm here to do my introduction of my new blog, Bankruptcy.Blog. So, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Alex Hernandez, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney, and I'm also a college and law professor. And of course, I teach a couple subjects, but guess which one I teach the most? And guess which one is my favorite? That's right, bankruptcy. Now, I know that sounds kind of negative, but it doesn't, because there's a lot of things that I learned with time that not only is bankruptcy not always the answer, and there might be other steps that we need to take. Even if you file for bankruptcy, it's not the end of the world. And I want you to understand that. And I can prove that to you very simply. I've been there and I've done that. Now, I haven't filed for bankruptcy, but debt, come on, who doesn't have debt these days? Student loans, right here, right? This is, I don't even know how many trillions of dollars at this point, 10 or 11 trillion. Number changes every second, who knows? Foreclosure, been there, done that. Car repo, been there, done that. Drop in business, been there, done that. And that's what the message I'm trying to get across. No matter what, you will get through this. I've been through this, right? I've already gone through this. I have a unique perspective of dealing with all these issues of debt, not only as a lawyer, but personally as an individual having to deal with this and being on the other side of the table now where I'm calling creditors, trying to negotiate with them to finally move on, affecting my credit score. So again, I've been there and I've done that. But look, I'm here now. I survived. It's not the end of the world. And I can prove that because just look at all my clients. How many clients have I represented all these years? How many other lawyers have represented thousands of clients? And yet they're okay. And that's what I want you to understand. You'll be okay. Now, the blog doesn't focus strictly on bankruptcy. All right. The blog works for anybody who's got debt related issues. Okay. We're going to go over in a second all the different subjects that we're going to talk about. But any questions you have regarding debt, the answer could be in the blog. And if not, there'll be an upcoming video with it. But, and I'm also going to create an entire different set of points for my students. They're going to have different PowerPoints, which is based on the textbook and the different processes and issues to consider when filing for bankruptcy. So there's going to be one set of blogs and two sets of PowerPoints to go through all these issues. Now, since I had said, and I promised you, it wasn't just going to be about bankruptcy, here are the different subjects you're going to be able to read about. Whether it's going to be bankruptcy, car loans, should you refinance your car loan or your mortgage? Should you consider debt consolidation with your credit cards? Maybe even personal loans. All those issues are discussed. And I'm giving you a way to reach out to me directly, and that is with the reader's questions. So if you have a question, send me an email. Here's my email, alex@bankruptcy.blog, and I'll answer your question in the readers forum. I already got 3 questions up there that are posted. So finally, for those of you that are either paralegal studies or just beginning lawyers and you want to learn more about bankruptcy, here is my textbook that goes over all these issues from beginning to end on filing bankruptcy with the bankruptcy petition. So paralegals as well and those taking legal studies courses will be able to not only read the textbook and see the PowerPoints that go with it, but I'm also including my own set of videos so you could always go back and further understand the subject and the study matter, because I'm a big believer that if you just look at the book, you're never going to find the answer. The answer is not always in the book. Sometimes you got to go outside of the book. In the law, we say outside the 4 corners. We usually say the opposite. You don't go outside the 4 corners of the page when reading a contract or a court order. I'm telling you, we got to go outside the 4 corners in order to master this material. All right. So again, thank you for joining me. I got more videos coming up every day. There's new blogs that are showing up. Here's my blog as we speak. Today is President's Day, so I changed that. But as you can see, I even have a Twitter feed here. So those of you who need to reach out to me, you can always reach out to me in Twitter as well. All right. So thank you, everybody. Take care. Have a good day. And I will see you with more videos and more blogs that are being posted every single day. Take care now.